Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. And this video I'm gonna talk about how to find photos in messages on iOS 26. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to go over here in the message. Now this is my personal number over here. So just get into any kind of conversation that you're having over here. Now from here within this, if you wanted to find the photos, what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top, just tap on this. Now from here, as you can see over here, we have info and along to it we have photos. And as you can see right now, this is where we can find the photos. These are the two photos that I shared to this particular contact over here. You can find it from here. So this is how we can find it. But for some users, sadly, they don't have this option of photos here. So if that is the case, how we can fix it? So what you need to do is we have to go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here, you have to tap over here on the profile. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the iCloud. From here, you have to tap on See All. Now from here, the first one, you have to go over here, tap on the iCloud photos, make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. Similarly, you just need to go back and tap on the message in iCloud and also make sure this is also turned on as well. Right now, you just need to go back. After turning on, most probably if you just go back, you'll be having this photos option. If you go over here, you'll be having this option. From here, you'll be able to find it. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.